We'll go for Makarasana. Makar means crocodile. So it's a crocodile asana, crocodile position. As we all know, crocodile has a tendency to be calm, quiet, and whenever required, can definitely attack very fast. So this crocodile position gives you a kind of relaxation. It is a relaxation asana. It gives lot of good health about our complete posture, which will go one by one for and very importantly, contraindications. First and foremost, it is not recommended for pregnant ladies because we have to lie down on the tummy. So not recommended for pregnant ladies. It is also not recommended during the cycle period. Then further, those people who have any very deep elements of your vertebral column or neck or shoulder, it is not recommended for them. So those people who have any surgery of particularly spine or neck, shoulder, it is also not recommended for them. So there are a number of restrictions. Though it is a relaxation asana, it is not recommended for people who have particularly the upper body portion having any the surgery or very high elements. For hernia, it is to be consulted to doctor before doing this. So these are the contraindications. Let's go to the process of it, and while explaining the process, I'll explain the variation. So first, very importantly, what you can do, you can lie down on tummy, and I can show you this way. Now here there's a difference between the asana and lying down as it is. That is the difference. If you come to know, you are done. So lying down with a stretch in your legs, in your lumbar, in your waist, in your hips. So I'm stretching myself more and more, first of all. Second, be in the supine position, be in the lying down position, touching the chin to the floor. Now consider my legs are touching each other and the toes, heels, they are facing the floor. They are touching each other and it is very much stretched. The first position, first variation which is given, keep a left hand this way and right hand on the forearms. So forearms are touching each other, your hands are over the elbow, and left side face, you relax it over your arms. Take a deep breath and breathe out. Make sure your tummy is touching the ground, chest is touching the ground. Maybe a portion of groin is touching the ground, but still you are stretched. The second variation which they give is 1 foot distance between the legs. That is another variation of Makarasana, and relax. So no stretch but only relax. Try to adjust your face in such a way that you are relaxed. That is the first variation of Makarasana. The second variation of Makarasana, both the elbows, you keep it a distance of 1 to 1.5 feet, and both the hands try to touch the lower portion of the palm to each other, or hold your chin in such a way and lift yourself and see in front in such a way that you have a stretch in your elbows, stretch in your back, and stretch in your even the lumbar or the lower pat portion. You have a stretch. Take a deep breath, breathe out. Take a deep breath, breathe out. Make sure that your legs are stretched in this position. Very much stretch. And when you actually be in this position, you have a kind of a crocodile characteristics, where the crocodile can definitely swim as well as walk on both soil and swim in the water. So both the characteristic you have. So, and you have a kind of relaxation, kind of position where it is a more confident position. You think yourself you are the great. This is the position. You will feel this particularly during your Makarasana. So there is an advantage of this also, which I will explain. So third variation of Makarasana is little bit stretching. So here what you can do, you can hold your both the arms with your palm. Take a deep breath, breathe out, and lift your hands as well as your face to extend that you have a 30-degree angle to the ground. You are making your right from the chest 30-degree angle. Come back. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. This is one variation where you will have a lot of stretch in your back, in your pat, shoulders, as well as in the neck. But definitely in case of people who are in the IT sector or people who have the sitting jobs, it is very good. Makarasana is one of the best for them. Makarasana or a crocodile pose, it basically activates your all cranial nerves, okay, all cranial nerves which are coming out of the vertebral column. Second, this is also recommended to prevent or to help spondylitis, to help if there is a very slight slip disc or starting of the slip disc. So it helps in preventing that to most of the extent. Further, if you have a mood swing, Makarasana is one of the best asana. It is said that people who have anxiety, if they go and they just lie down in Makarasana, you will get a sigh of relief. Maybe after the meeting, if you have not taken a meal or in last 3 hours, Makarasana can be done. But after the meal or after eating anything, Makarasana should not be done. So even if you drink water, it is recommended Makarasana should not be done. During the cycle, it should not be done. So when you do Makarasana, naturally your digestion organs, right from your throat to the long intestine, they are stretched. So it is actually a internal massage to your organs. So another thing is there's a diaphragm which is responsible for respiration. These diaphragm get stretched in the Makarasana. So it gives the health of lungs. So person who is doing Makarasana, you will find that a different kind of shape which comes if he does Makarasana to the chest, which will be a kind of U or V-shaped shape. So and there will be stretch, there will be a kind of small pain in Makarasana in the chest. when you do it. So it gives a health of vertebral column, it gives a health of neck, because we are always in the position of seeing the mobile, so it gives a very good health to the neck. So, and that's why Makarasana is used. Very psychic position, if somebody has very psychic position, maybe a schizophrenia, maybe phrenia or paraphrenia, people, they should refrain from Makarasana. But however, if you have a mood swing, people who are pro-thyroid or pre-thyroid condition, Makarasana is one of the best asana to help them to increase the flow to the thyroid. So that was regarding Makarasana. Let's